Welcome to this platform. So this video, we are going to learn how to solve a simultaneous equation using elimination method. So if you are writing Igcse or GCSE Cambridge, this is the video for you. Alright, so let us get to solving. So how do you answer the question? So we are using elimination method. Now what is required for elimination method? So as you can see, you have two variables here, that is the w and the y. So we are going to eliminate one first, and of course leave the other one that we are going to find the value first. So a simultaneous equation simply means you find two values of the variable that are given in the question. So in this case, w and the y. Now what is the first step? So in this case, I'm going to rewrite this question 2w minus 3y equal to 11. Then 3w plus y is equals to 11 as well. Okay, so what am I going to do? So here, I'm going to choose what I'm eliminating. And in this case, I'm going to get rid of y. Why is it easy for me to get rid of y? Because for you to eliminate one variable, they need to have the same coefficient, but different signs. So if you look at y, we have the coefficient of y to be -3, and of course the coefficient of y, the other one, is +1. So I can easily make this other one 3, so that we can have -3 and +3, and therefore I can eliminate. So what am I going to do? So for me to make this 3 in terms of a coefficient, I'm simply going to multiply in front with 3. So if I multiply by 3, of course the top one is just going to remain like that. So if I multiply the bottom one with 3, I'm going to have 2w minus 3y is equals to 11. Then the bottom part is going to be 3 multiplied by 3 is just 9w. Then 3 multiplied by, so I multiply this throughout, please. So you multiply 3 throughout. So multiply 3 multiply y, it is going to give us plus 3y. Then now, finally, 3 times 11, that is 33. So now at this point, I can add, and now I'm going to have this as 0 plus, then of course this one is going to be 11w, then equal to, that is going to give us 44. Now, it's just the same as 11w is equals to 44. So in this case, divide 11, and this is going to give us a 4. So the value of w is equals to 4. Now, this one being the simultaneous equation, we also need to find the value of y. So in this case, I'm going to pick one of the original simultaneous equation, or one of the equation. So in this case, I'll pick the first one. You can use any. So 2w minus 3y equal to 11. So I've picked this one. You know what I'm going to do? I'll replace where there's w with the 4 so that I can find y. So 2, then here 4 minus 3y is equals to 11. This is going to give me 8 minus 3y is equals to 11. Okay, so I can say, okay, the additive inverse of positive 8 is -8. So I add -8 this side, also -8 the other side. So we are going to have this as 0 minus 3y, which is just the same as the -3y, equal to, that is the 3. 11 minus 8 is 3. So divide this by 3, that is -3, please. Divide -3. So we're going to have y is equals to negative divide positive gives us a negative, so -1. So it's a value of y. So I can record the answers here, w to be 4, then y to be -1. I've answered the simultaneous equation, and for this I have 3 marks. So the question reads, solve the simultaneous equation. You must show all your working. So this shows all my working. So this is how you basically answer